you the story of the preacher and the bear. So the preacher went out walking upon one Sunday morning, and though it was against his religion, he took his gun along. He shot himself some mighty fine quail and one little measly hare, and as he turned to go back home, he met a great big grizzly bear. The bear sat down in the middle of the road, just as mean as he could be. The preacher started shaking and climbed up a persimmon tree. The bear stood up and rolled his eyes and shook his big old head. The preacher looked up at heaven, and these are the words he said. Oh Lord, you delivered Daniel from the lion's den. Oh, yeah. Delivered Jonah from the belly of the whale. Amen. Freed the Hebrew children from the fiery furnace. Oh, yeah. The good book does declare. But oh Lord, if you won't help me, please don't help that bear. So the bear began to climb. Scared the preacher to his bone. So the preacher climbed a little higher till he couldn't climb no more. All at once a limb gave way, and they both came tumbling down. And this time when the preacher prayed, you could hear him, thank you. You could hear him for miles around. Oh Lord, you delivered Daniel from the lion's den. Delivered Jonah from the belly of the whale. Amen. Free the Hebrew children from the fiery furnace. Oh yeah. The good book does declare. Oh Lord, if you won't help me, please don't help that bear. Well, they fought all the way to the river. It was a terrible fight. That bear, he was giving it all. My doggy. That bear, he was giving it all. And the preacher, he was doing all right. He got that bear down in the water 3 times, in and out. Then the bear got loose and limped away. And the preacher began to shout, oh Lord, you delivered Daniel from the lion's den. You delivered Jonah from the belly of the whale. And though it may not seem like much with what you've got up there, hardest job I ever done was baptizing that bear.